Ever felt that cringe in your throat while looking at something? You want to cry your heart out, but still you'll hold on to the pain. That's all I can tell you for the start. Hi guys, this is Jashika, you're watching Koi Moi, and I'm going to be honestly reviewing Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi. तो विदाउट एनी बीटिंग अराउंड द बुश मेकर्स कम टू द पॉइंट एंड हम फर्स्ट सीन में देखते हैं झांसी के एडवाइजर दीक्षित जी को, जिनको पहली नज़र में ही मणिकर्णिका पसंद आ जाती है। तो राजमाता से डिस्कस करने के बाद वो सीधा पहुंच जाते हैं मणिकर्णिका का रिश्ता मांगने राजा गंगाधर राव जी के लिए। एंड विद द सॉन्ग भारत वी सी मणिकर्णिका टर्निंग इनटू रानी लक्ष्मीबाई एज पर द रिचुअल्स ऑफ झांसी। Rest of the story is about how after the death of her husband she goes on to fight for the nation and for Jhansi. A huge shout out to Prasoon Joshi, the dialogue writer, plus Sanchit and Ankit Balhara के background score. काफ़ी intense situations है, seriousness है, but then at the end है तो entertainment. So there are sequences that will tickle your funny bone at the right place. काफ़ी सही. शंकर एहसान लॉय सॉन्ग्स भारत एंड विजय भक्त दोनों के लिरिक्स प्रसून जोशी ने दिए हैं एंड इट फेल्ट राइट इनटू द प्लेस। लेकिन उनके अलावा देयर वर सॉन्ग्स दैट वर नॉट नेसेसरी। यू नो देयर इज अ सीक्वेंस भारत की एग्जैक्ट 5 मिनट्स और आई से लेस देन 5 मिनट्स में देयर कम्स अनदर सॉन्ग एंड यू नो द थिंग इज द जॉनर डजंट डिमांड फॉर इट। तो अगर नहीं होता तो शायद ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल लगता। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कैरेक्टर्स। Starting with Kangana Ranaut, her career is filled with women-centric films, but this is the one which she'll be proud of not only because of her acting but also because of her direction. हाँ, dialogue delivery कहीं कहीं जगह पे थोड़ी ठीक हो सकती थी, but we all know her struggle when it comes to certain Hindi pronunciations. Ankita Lokhande as Rani Jhalkari Bai was tremendous. This was her debut and this is one reason I love TV actors. उनकी acting capabilities next level होती हैं. She was not only fierce but also there were portrayal of emotions right at place. There was this sequence जहाँ पे she and Kangana Ranaut side by side were crying and you could see her genuine tears as against Kangana's. Mohammad Zishan Ayub simply proves his versatility. We've seen him as a lovable lead's friend in Bhai Cheat India, Thugs and Zero, but in this one, his depiction as Sadashiv will make you hate him. And यही तो असली कलाकार की निशानी है. Richard Keep as Hugh Gross, Danny as Ghulam Ghaus Khan, Mishti as Kashi Bai. I mean, each and every person from the rest of the cast, this is for you guys, you know, like a doctor who knows exactly which nerve to hold on to. They know and उन्होंने अपने characters बखूबी निभाए हैं. So all in all, I am very happy. Editing could have been better. I clearly remember this one sequence where Rani Lakshmibai is marching towards the war zone and पीछे से उनको उनके बेटे ने बुलाया. As much as I'm desperate right now to see कि क्या होता है उसके बाद abruptly आता है एक subtitle and I'm like what is this? Actually वो होता है next scene का. So yeah, these are the small things that they could have actually worked upon. So watch or not. कुछ sequences थे that reminded me of Game of Thrones and the end of Battle of the Bastards. But अगर fiction को fiction की तरह देखोगे तो this is one of the movies from the genre that you'll always cherish. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to be rating Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi at 3.5. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, if you watch Manikarnika, share your views with us in the comment section below. कल करने वाली हूँ ठाकरे का review, so stay tuned.
koimoi.com